On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for AI avatars. I'm going to select DID AI avatars. First, select the avatar that you wish to have. So you have all these options here that you can choose from. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select this person here and use her as my avatar. You can change the background color if you want. You can add in a script for your avatar to speak about. So it can be either a text file or you can upload an audio file. So I'm just going to type in a few words here. If you don't know what to say, you can also click the Inspire Me and it'll give you a few suggestions on what your avatar can say. So you can also preview the voice here. So you can just click on the play button here to preview the voices.
Hey, nice to meet you. What do you think of my voice?
You can expand all your options. You can choose the language and choose the country of origin. And you have all these options here that you can choose from. Some of them also have some tone in them as well, so you can choose those if you wish. And then you can preview the speech.
Hello there. Diving into something fun starts here.
So that's what my avatar is going to sound like. And if I'm satisfied with this, I can go ahead and sign in to generate. So once I logged in, I can click Generate Presenter. And now my AI avatar has been generated.
Hello, and welcome to Iceland.
So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.